First of all, I'd like to thank and congratulate especially the individuals who have come forward to organize this meeting. I do realize that this is not an easy task. ఇది సులభమైన పని కాదు. ఇంతమంది వ్యక్తుల్ని ఈ మీటింగ్ కి ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయడానికి పెట్టినటువంటి ఎఫర్ట్ I think we need to congratulate. In the first step, all of us మనందరం మాట్లాడాము. The reason for us to have a political forum has been clearly specified with experiences by different individuals. These experiences are few, but every Christian, let me tell you that every Christian, whether he is an individual, a church, an employee, everybody has faced these problems. ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళము సమస్య అనేది ఎదుర్కొన్నాం. బిజినెస్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళము, some of us, when we have a problem, we run to different individuals. We run to MLAs, we run to ministers, we run to different kinds of leaders, and none of them are Christian because they do not understand the Christian's problems. So every person, whether he is an advocate, whether he is an employee, needs a Christian, definitely is in need of a political forum which is Christian, with Christian background, so that our problems can be taken to the policymakers and they can address these issues. So it is very clear. I think that there is nobody, ఎవరు ఇక్కడ పొలిటికల్ ఫోరం అవసరం లేదు అని ఎవరు చెప్పలేదు. So everybody is saying that we need it. That is point number one. But from here, once we decide, there is lot of work to do. చాలా పని ఉంది మనకి. You know, the next step forward is really difficult. You need to develop strategies. You need to see how you communicate this message from here to every Christian, every church, development of material, constitution of teams, training those teams, because వీళ్ళు ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళి ఏదైనా తప్పు మాటలు మాట్లాడితే it will work against our interest. So again, every individual who is communicating the message of this political forum to other Christians and to outsiders has to be trained. So a lot of training programs, communication material, development of strategies, policies, all this has to be worked out, and a secretariat also has to be put in place. So from our side, from my side, from my side, from all the institutions I represent, we are part of this forum. Whatever support is required, we will definitely do it. And for some of you who do not know which activity, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, every 30 kilometers we have an office, we have staff members working, so we will be very happy to extend our support in seeing that the objective of setting up the political forum for Christians is achieved. And I congratulate everyone for taking this initiative, and let us see results, because God is with us, nothing is impossible for him. Thank you.